Hi guys, I'm Victoria from Frow, one of the Feelunique ambassadors, and I'm so excited today to show you my straight to curly waves tutorial. So stay tuned and see how I got this whole look. Okay, to start, I'm just going to brush my hair just to check that it's not free. So I'm just using the wet detangler from Tangle Teezer. I just want to make sure that my hair, first of all, is protected from the heat. So I'm using the Redken thermal holding spray. I literally just like to spritz this through all of my hair, all over, just roughen it up a little bit. So straight away, all of my hair just has a coating of this. A little bit more. And you can also add this as you go as well if you prefer. We're ready to start. So, today I'm using the GHD Classic Barrel Curler. This is like my one and only. I love it. It's just the most perfect tool for curling and touzling the hair. I like to start by sectioning my hair in half. You can also section halfway across the hair as well if you prefer. If your hair is extremely thick, you can do that. I just like to have mine entirely sectioned just into two. And I'm just going to use a clip. To a little bun and clip it. So I have one half ready to go, and I like to start from the back and work forward. This way I find that I don't then forget pieces and I'm not left with all the back of my hair straight and all the front wavy. So let's start right from the back. Okay, so when you have your section, you want to go from behind. So be careful with your fingertips, obviously. You want to hold it on there for a few seconds. I like to wrap it maybe 1.5 times around. Again, it depends how long your hair is. And this will drop out and leave a little curl. Now obviously the longer your hair is at different sections, it will take better. So you'll get more of a non-uniform wave, which is what I prefer. So it doesn't look too glam, it looks more undone. Okay, so another section behind the hair, wrap 1.5. I also like to sometimes turn the barrel a little bit. You can sort of pull the barrel out a little bit, tighten it up again. And then, if you're able to, while still holding the hair, you can drop out your curl into your hand. Obviously be careful of burning yourself. But you'll just find that then it can cool in your hand and maintain more of a curl, and then later when you brush that out, it'll hold the curl a little more. Take another section, I'm going to brush that through. And again, behind the hair, this piece is a little longer, so I've got a little bit more leeway. And you can just drop that out onto your hand, give it time to air, it's cooled a little bit, and then it'll maintain that curl a little longer. I love to just run my fingers through my hair, break up the curls a little bit, make it look a little bit more undone. You can use a brush if you want to. I find with a brush my hair looks a little bit too perfect, so that's why I like to use my hands, but we will add some texture spray a little later. So, I'm gonna start on the other side. it can be quite useful sometimes if you hold all the hair you've already curled, take out your clip, and then clip your done hair to one side. It just means you won't start getting mixed up with hair that's already curled. I'm going to give this one last spritz, it's a little bit more heat protectant. And we're going to do the whole thing again, just on this side. So again, just remember to wrap the barrel behind the hair. So take this in your left hand, as we're working on the left-hand side of the hair. Barrel in the right hand, and then this goes behind the hair. Okay, so just continue all the way forward again. So the curling is complete, and I've just spent a little bit of time running my hands through my hair, playing with the positioning of the curls, breaking them up, getting that very undone but still done look. And now I'm going to move into some different products. So I'm going to start off first of all with a texture spray, which I find is just a saviour for messing up your touzled waves. This is one by Kristin Ess. This is the Air Dry Spray. And I'm just gonna use my hand to play around with the curls whilst spraying this upwards into each of the curls. It just helps, if you use your hand to do this, it just helps break up the curls whilst adding that body into it. You can also go a little bit more into the underside of the roots. I quite like my curls to look quite messy. If you don't really like that, don't be as rough as I am being, but I quite like that very messy style. And then for the rest of the day, you just want to set that all down. So I love the Elnet Hairspray by L'Oreal. I'm just going to go all the way through, again, very similar technique to my texture spray, spraying upwards into the hair. And then just at the front, decide how you want the front to sit, if you want it to be more volumized, if you want it to be flatter, depending on your style of hair. I quite like just to pull this up a little bit. Make sure it's got a little bit of volume here at the front. And that's it. Curly, messy, touzled, undone but done curly waves.